What would you do if you saw a robot moving a 2,000 kilogram pallet through a warehouse? Because that's exactly what the PUDU MP2000 is built to do. And trust me, this isn't your typical little warehouse robot carrying a few boxes around. 2,000 kilos, that's about the weight of a small car. But here's where the MP2000 gets really interesting. It doesn't need someone sitting there driving it around like a forklift. The robot is designed to handle pallets on its own, while understanding what's happening around it and finding its way through the environment. Think about a busy warehouse, workers walking around, equipment moving, pallets coming and going, routes changing throughout the day. That's the kind of environment the MP2000 is designed for. And there's something else that makes this robot stand out. PUDU says you don't have to completely rebuild your warehouse just to use it. The MP2000 is designed to work with existing environments right out of the box. That could make a huge difference for warehouses and factories that want automation without turning the entire facility into a construction project. Now imagine this. A pallet weighing 2 tons arrives. Instead of waiting for a forklift operator, the MP2000 can take over the job, move the pallet, navigate through the facility, and get it where it needs to go. And then it can do it again and again. That's where this gets really exciting, because the MP2000 isn't just about moving heavy stuff, it's about changing how heavy stuff moves around an entire facility. Warehouses are getting busier, logistics is getting faster, and companies are looking for ways to move more goods without making every process more complicated. And PUDU is taking a pretty bold approach. Give the robot the brains to understand the environment and the muscle to move up to 2 tons. That combination is what makes the MP2000 so interesting. So are we looking at the forklift of the future? Maybe, but one thing is already clear. A robot that can move 2,000 kilograms by itself is not something you want to ignore. This is the PUDU MP2000, and the next time you walk into a modern warehouse, don't be surprised if the heavy lifting is being done by a robot.